One way to run a water-only cycle on your Formula Pro Mini is to have an empty powder container. To do this, you'll need to make sure the water tank is pretty much full and place it on the back of your machine with the lid. And then you want to make sure that the powder container is completely empty, nothing in there. Place it into the machine as normal and tighten the lid. Then turn the machine on and place your bottle tray in the bottom. Then select your desired mil. We'll go for 90. Place your bottle underneath the funnel and press play.